and welcome to Learn Designer.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post for a business conference using Canva. If you are hosting an event, this design will help you. Let's get started. Let's do create a new design. We go to social media, after that to Instagram, and let's choose the square ad. So the first thing we do, we add our image. So let's start by searching for frame and let's choose the circle frame. This one here. Make big one like this. Okay. Now search for the image is New York. We go to photos. Now we will make the image look like a little bit black. So I will just duplicate this one here, make it in the same position and change the color here to a black. And after that we go to transparency and we change like this. Okay. Now select the two of them and we make it. Okay, now we can do another thing, duplicate this one here and position it here and change the color to gray, for example, and change the opacity like this. We will add a stroke for this and also a shadow. To do this, you can select stroke. Like you see now, the stroke is inside. I want a stroke outside, so I will remove all this, and after that, just I will go to the position layer here, and I will just duplicate this one here and position in the back, and we change just the color. Like we make a stroke. Okay, we can add also a shadow. Let's search for shadow. Okay, I will choose this one here. I will rotate it like this and make it big. See, now I will make it in the back. Okay, I think in white is better. Now let's add the titles here. So add a heading 2024, for example. Add another and write business, for example. Change the color to orange like this. I change the font. Okay, I think I like this one here. And I will choose this one here just by holding Alt and move here to copy the layer and write. Now let's make it small. We can remove the bold here like this. I like it. Now let's add a line. Just in element, search for line and the line. And by holding this, you can change the position. Okay, I will zoom it. And you can see here when you are near to the point here, you can change the position. Okay. Or you can hold here to change also position of the line. Okay, now we will add the time, the date, also the location, icons. So let's write date icon. You can change add icon. Okay, let's search for one. Okay, I'm going with this one here. Make it small. Add also location icon. Okay, work this one here. The same size. And select the two of them and change the size. Even the color to orange. This one here also. Sorry. Okay, I will zoom a little bit. And I will add a line here, so I can just do this one here by holding Alt to copy this and rotate. Now let's change the color to also orange. I think you change size. Now we add the date. For example, is and make it small from, for example, 10 a.m. to 13 p.m. and change the size. Okay, the address. Okay, if we are okay with all of this, I will just lock this to move this in the middle, like you know. Okay, we'll add now just the phone, the website, even the others. Okay, I will add another circle. Okay, I'll change the color to, for example, this one here. And I will add phone icon. This one here. I need also location. I can just duplicate this one here. All I will choose another one. Even this one here is the same. And also the website. This one. So I'll select all of them and make them small. I change the color for each one to orange. Okay. I will duplicate this one also. Address street. Okay, let's lock this one to change whatever you want without any problem. Okay, let's group this to one and I'll select all of them, right click and make it in the middle, change the size. I will add just a last title is you are I will change the color to orange. You are invited to share your self. Okay, I will change the size. I will change this color. Okay, you can add even your logo here. This one here. Like this. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tips and design tutorial. See you in the next video.